Give IUPAC names of the following ethers. Now we are talking about the nomenclature of ethers. Ethers are typically named as alkoxy alkanes. Please note, the parent chain, the longest carbon chain is selected as alkane. And ethers are not appearing in suffix. They are placed as a prefix. That means that they are not given very high priority. As a matter of fact, everything which appears in prefix has same order of priority, and which is the minimum priority, the stupidest of groups actually. So just take a look at this. You have CH3, O, CH2, CH, CH3. Sounds good. So if I choose the carbon chain, now ether is attached to this carbon, right? So let's take this as the longest possible carbon chain. Yes, this looks like a very clean longest possible carbon chain. In this case, this is the ether. So this is the longest possible carbon chain. Yes, this is the longest possible carbon chain. Now having selected the chain, what goes next? Name it, count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, or maybe 1, 2 will count later. Well, 1, 2, 3. This means this is a methyl group. This is ethoxy. Ethoxy starts from E, methyl from M. E comes before. So 1 ethoxy, 2 methyl propane. Is this the name? Yes, this is the name. What about this one? Now, carbon chain is just 2 carbons, ethane. I have Cl as chloro and this as methoxy. Chloro starts from C, methoxy starts from M. First alphabetically is chloro, and please note priority order of all prefixes is same, it is only alphabetical. So 1 and 2, this is the way we should number it. So this is 1 chloro, 2 methoxy ethane. Wow. 1 chloro, 2 methoxy ethane? Yes, indeed. What about these two? Well, you have C6H4. Now, this looks like a benzene ring, a para position. So, if I have something attached to a benzene ring, then the parent chain is, well, very well the benzene ring. Right. Methoxy and nitro, LMNOPM comes before. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 methoxy, 4 nitrobenzene. And are you aware that methoxybenzene is also called anisole? So one popular name could have been para nitro anisole also. But then this is not a systematic name. IUPAC name is this only. What about this one? Well, again, let's see the longest possible carbon chain. And that would be this. Yes. 1, 2, and 3 carbons. Oh my God, this is as simple as it gets. 3 carbons is propane. So this is 1, 2, 3. Methoxy. This is methoxy. Propane. 1 methoxy, propane. Give IUPAC names of the following ethers. Wow. Let's see. 5th and 6th. What do they say? Well, this is the parent chain. Very well. This is the parent chain. This one. Benzening is a chain. Yes, benzening is the parent chain. Having fixed the parent chains, 2 substituents are better than 1. So first, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way we choose. Why? All substituents have same order? Yes, they have. If I take this as first carbon, when is the next branching? On the same carbon. So this has higher priority. Now we don't look at alphabetical order. So this is now 1,1 dimethyl. I'm sorry, this should come later. Ethoxy comes with the 4 ethoxy, 1,1 dimethyl methyl cyclohexane. Wow, this is the name? Yes. You might be confused that number is 1, but I'm writing it afterhand. So there are two different issues. One is, how do we decide locants 1, 2, 3, 4? How do we assign the numbers? That is a different rule. And while writing, we don't look at these numbers. We don't look at prefixes like di, tri. It is just alphabetical. Ethoxy is from E, and dimethyl has methyl M, which is from M. Numerical prefixes like di, tri, they are not considered while deciding the alphabetical order. E comes before M, so I have to write this before. These numbers are not important while deciding the alphabetical order. But why should I name this as 1 and not this as 1? Because this is ethoxy. The rule is very simple. First of all, number 1 should go to the highest priority functional group. There is no highest priority functional group which appears as suffix in this case. All are prefixes. Methyl is a prefix, ethoxy is a prefix. Then let me look at carbon, which has maximum number of branches. And had there been same number of branches, then I would have come to alphabetical order. But already more branches here, so I name this as 1. This is what I get. This is the name. This is very simple. Ethoxy benzene. Parent chain is benzene, so this is simply ethoxybenzene.